don't know. Do we ignore the fact that I put an extra R in Couture? Because there's no re-recording that video. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing all three of the mystery boxes from Artist Couture. If you guys are excited to get into this video and you find any value or enjoyment out of it, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking that little link down there and that little notification bell so you never miss an upload. Before we do get into this box, because hopefully all three of them are actually in here, it says all three are in here, Dossier recreates classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price with still keeping the same quality. All orders are always risk-free and returnable, so if you don't like that scent that you chose, like it's just not your vibe, you have 30 days to be able to return it and get your money back, or you get to choose a different scent. And the best part is, no scent actually goes to waste, because all the return perfumes that are returned, Dossier actually donates them to a charitable association. So like I said, nothing goes to waste. They did get rid of their 2mm plastic sample, so they're trying to eliminate all their plastic use. So that's great too. Thank you, Dossier. All perfumes are vegan and cruelty free, and they're made with clean ingredients, and they're never tested on animals. I have the Aromatic Star Anise. It is a play, like an inspired on the Dior Sauvage perfume or cologne, which I have never smelled that, but this smells phenomenal. Like, I cannot get over it. It is a little bit more of a masculine scent. It does have the scents of bergamot, pepper, star anise, and then also like middle notes of lavender, nutmeg, and geranium, and then the base notes of patchouli, amberwood, and vetiver. I think this is more like a unisex perfume cologne. I'm not sure what you would call it at that point, but anyway, Dossier prices for their perfumes range from anywhere from $29 to $59, and I do have a code that'll save you 10%. You can use the code Jessi Maee. That'll save you an additional 10%. I have a way for you to save even more at the very end. All of Dossier's perfumes come with 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces to where we have the Ysl Black Opium and then our Dossier Floriental Vanilla. They actually got rid of the Floriental, so I think it's just called Vanilla. But either way, this was inspired by this. We have the Ysl Black Opium, which in my opinion, this would be like the standard for the Black Opium, and this comes with 30 milliliters, and this ranges from about $130. The Dossier, theirs comes with 50 milliliters, and they range anywhere from $29 to $59, while designer scents range from anywhere from $50 to $280. This one right here, I believe, was $49. The Star Anise one was $29. You get more for your money, definitely a better value, and by the way, I honestly cannot tell the difference when I wear, like I'll wear one on one side and one on the other, and nobody can even, be like, smell these. They don't know the difference. What I do love more about this formula than the original is this lasts 10 times longer. I don't know what they did. It's phenomenal. I love it. Do you want your home to smell like your favorite luxury scent? Say, this Star Anise perfume. Dossier created an affordable, luxury-inspired candle like this Star Anise one, inspired by the Dior Sauvage, made from 100% non-toxic vegetable wax, and never any cancer-causing stuff known as paraffins, the cheap stuff. All the Dossier candles are vegan, clean, and cruelty-free, and they're evaluated in Paris for the highest standards and ingredients. Dossier candles are $39, and they come with 5 fluid ounces or 142 grams. All Dossier candles are made with oils developed in Grasse, France, the perfume capital on the French Riviera, and then they're made here in America. Dossier does have a welcome offer on their website, and it could save you up to 20%, and then like I did mention, if you use my code Jessi Maee, that'll add an additional 10% off your order. That's 30% off your first order off of Dossier.co. Again, my code was Jessi Maee, that is Jessime, off of Dossier.co. And if you use that with their welcome bonus, that saves you up to 30%. Thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on today's video, and thank you so much to you guys for being here, watching, liking, sharing, commenting. Without you, I wouldn't have opportunities like this. Now, let's get back into the actual video. If you guys are new here, my name is Jessi Maee, and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle videos, so like I did say, go ahead and subscribe. I messed that one all up. I've been doing that quite a lot lately. So maybe we're just gonna leave it, so yeah. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Jessi Maee. Let's get into the Artist Couture mystery boxes, because what an intro. Okay, so I did get all three. There were 3 tiers. They were there because I have them pulled up on my phone, obvious. So there were 3 tiers to the mystery box. I got all 3. First one was the Deluxe mystery box, and that was $45. The second one was the Supreme mystery box, and that one cost $65. Then the third tier box was the top tier box, and that one was $95. For all 3 boxes, it cost me $208.73, so hopefully we have some good goodies inside here. Oh, I mean, I would love to be able to say, hey, this came in the one box and then this came in the other box, but they literally just threw everything in the box. So maybe next time I will order them separate. But we're just gonna do a big, I guess, Artist Couture haul. I have no idea what's in here. It's a mystery Artist Couture haul. It was supposed to be the 3 mystery unboxing, but you know, they saved some shipping and cardboard and stuff and just sent it all in one box, which is okay with me. I just wish I would have had like a little list so I can, you know, tell you guys that this came in the one box and such, because each box was supposed to contain like a certain value. I don't know if I have any information else other than just the price that I paid for it, because when you look online, there's not too much, because I mean, like, you know, damn, Rocky. Okay, yep, I don't know. So we're just gonna go through the goodies. First we have here is a mini lip and eye set. Oh, she's cute. Oh, cute. Like the little mini. This is a loose shadow. I'm gonna swatch it because I'm gonna swatch everything. Oh, that's really pretty. It's like just like a little topper. It's when you shear it out, it shears out. So it's just a little bit of like glitter on top. That was also the shade Golden Hour. It's a Diamond Lights finisher. So that explains why it did do what it did. Like it sheared out and it looks like a finishing. Because that's what it is. In the little lips we have the Le Freak. So the 2 shades they sent in that little mini lip and eye set, we have Le Freak and Shameless. I've already have a repeat here. I'm going to set this one aside. This is another little mini lip in the shade Shameless. It's just going to go in there just so I don't accidentally use it or anything, because I will be passing that one along. I definitely don't need 2. So any repeats in here I'm going to be putting in. I haven't quite decided if I'm doing like a full giveaway or if I'm just literally going to pass them along to a family or friend member. So next in here we have another Diamond Lights finisher, but this is in the shade Epiphany. Pretty already just through the container. It's like a light pinkish purple. It almost kind of reminds me of like a fairy. Oh, I really like that. You know, it kind of is more, you might be able to see a little bit better on my finger. It's really pretty. I like how the purple stands out a lot, but I'm definitely going to have to take this off because swatching the loose pigments are definitely, they get everywhere. Alright, so next in here we'll do something different. This is the Prep and Glow Blurring Perfection Primer. Their packaging for Artist Couture is very almost cheap feeling. Not gonna lie, because it wasn't cheap. It was pretty expensive. I don't know, I'm gonna swatch a primer. I want to see. Yeah, was not expecting an actual like shade to it. When you blend it out, it definitely goes on clear, so that's really good to know, because I would be kind of upset if it showed that color on your face, even though it's a primer and you're going to put other stuff over it. I feel like that would not be good. Next we do have another, oh, nope, it's not, this one's different. This is a Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Conceited. I don't think I own this one. I have plenty of the glow powders, but I don't know if I have this shade. Well, when the sticker breaks, like the sticker like ripped as I'm trying to pull it off. Not too cool, my friend. Not too cool. One thing I will admit, I don't like these containers that much. The powder kind of goes everywhere. But there is our shade Conceited and the Diamond Glow Powder. Alright, we have a diamond bronze. Oh, alright, so we have another sample size of another Diamond Lights finisher, and this is in the shade Diamond Bronze. I only put a couple little dops, a couple little like powder drops, I guess, I don't, on here, but that one has definitely more color to it than the other two, or at least for the amount that I did use. So next in here we have a Plush Pout lip gloss, and we have the shade Striptease. There's the shade Striptease. There we have the shade Striptease. Oh look, we have a little brush that got a little funked up because it was in nothing, literally just by itself. But this is the AC01 brush, and just your fan brush. Their preparation for their palettes, this is great. Oh look, we got two brushes, and this one's broken. But a little bit of glue, that should be no problem. Not that I need two fan brushes, but you know, so. And then they did give us a third brush. At least this one's different, and this one's in plastic. A little bit more protected than the other two. There's powder coming. Probably camera will not pick up any of the powder, but literally it's like it was used. Slightly gross. Next in here we have a Silky Lip Oil, and we have the shade, I am not entirely sure. Maybe it's just a lip oil, like a clear lip oil. Oh, Deliciously Silky Lips, I guess is the shade, and it's just a pink clear gloss. I don't think I'm going to swatch this one because I'm probably more than likely not going to use it, so this is going to get passed along in that pile. Next in here we have a Diamond Lip Tease lip gloss in the shade Sugar Baby. Oh, it's almost identical to the other one, but this one's sparkly. I lied, it's not almost identical, but it definitely has some sparkles to it. If you can see that, it's this one down here. And that was in the shade Sugar Baby. We have another lip thing. This is a Silk Cream lipstick, and we have the shade Adore Me. Definitely more excited about this than the two glosses and the lip oil that we got. Oh, are you gonna be sparkly? Yeah, I know for 100% fact my camera is not picking up the sparkles in this, and ignore my nails. I told you I needed to repaint them. On the bright side, she is not sparkly whatsoever swatched. So that is the shade Adore Me in the liquid, not liquid, in the Silk Cream lipstick. We have two Diamond Glow powder, and then we have the shade Rosé and Broadway. There is our loose highlighter, or what do they call it? The Diamond Glow powder in the shade Rosé. Oh, this one's super pink. Ooh. This one's almost like a duochrome. Oops, I kicked my camera again. But like a duochrome highlight. I'm not entirely sure if the camera's picking that up, but it's like shifting from pink to gold. Not sure as much for like an actual highlight, but as an eyeshadow, I think that's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, let me know, how are you guys enjoying this video? Like I said, I was hoping to have them individually boxed so I could be like, this was the mystery top tier, I don't remember even what the names of the three boxes were. Like the Deluxe, the Supreme, and the top tier. It's right there. So we have two other liquid lips, whether they be a lip gloss or an actual lipstick, and they are both lip gloss. So we have another, okay, I get it. The Diamond Tease Pout has like the sparkly ones because, I mean, this box is sparkly, so I'm assuming the lip gloss in here is going to be sparkly. And then the other one is another lip pout, or Plush Pout. And we have the shade Nympho. And X-rated. It's an X-rated Nympho. Ooh, I like that, but I don't know about on my lips. I don't know about on my lips. It's super pretty. Alright, so here's our swatches of our X-rated Nympho. We have the X-rated and Nympho. Really like this. This is a super gorgeous color, like the pink and the purple to it, and it's almost like an iridescent. But for my lips, that's not so much like me, but maybe we could give it a try because it is super pretty. And then we have two more Diamond Glow powders, and we have the shade Gold Digger and Cocoa Bling. You know how I said, like, I don't really like the little ones because the stuff gets everywhere. So I already own Cocoa Bling, and what was the other one that we just got? Gold Digger. So I just pulled out, I mean, they're sample sizes, but it's a loose highlighter. Literally getting everywhere. Trying to get a swatch for you, but like, this here is a Cocoa Bling, and then literally right next to it, they look almost identical. Here is Gold Digger. There's not much gold to it. They literally look almost identical. Now I have loose highlighter everywhere. It's all over my hand. Yeah, I'm silly. So I accidentally just swatched Cocoa Bling twice. That's why they looked almost identical. So here we have the Gold Digger. You can definitely see the gold in it. So yeah, I'm glad that it's actually different. I'm just a little silly. Moving on. So the last lip product that we did receive in our mystery boxes, whether it be in whatever box, is a Silk Cream lipstick, and we have the shade Power Play. I really like that one. I don't know why I swatched it kind of where I did, but there is the shade Power Play. And then in the last two items, we received two eyeshadow palettes. We have the Love Sprung and the Supreme Bronze. Actually, are they both eyeshadow palettes? Nope, this is a bronzer palette and a face palette. They're neither an eyeshadow palette. Pretty! I just was expecting an eyeshadow palette. So here we have our three, I kind of did it in an awkward spot, but three shades we have. This is Baby Bloom, External Flame, and Swoon Me. And then lastly in here is their Supreme Bronze palette. Oh, and this one's an eyeshadow palette. That's pretty neat. I was not expecting that because of the name. So just a couple of swatches for you guys. They swatched really nice. They didn't seem to be too powdery, although I did do one matte and that was kind of it. Definitely think that is going to be a nice eyeshadow palette. I've used a couple of other like Artist Couture eyeshadow palettes and their formula is really good. I mean, I don't have any complaints about it or anything. My only complaint is I wish they would have separated their boxes so I could, you know, more show you guys like the mystery tiers and stuff like that. I don't know. What did you guys think of this $200 mystery box from Artist Couture? That's what I'm gonna call this video. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below on this $200 mystery Artist Couture box. If you guys enjoyed this video or you got any value or enjoyment out of it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of my videos, like we just did an advent calendar marathon unboxing, or you know, you just want to hang out and binge watch some of my content, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys and I'll catch you in another video. Bye!